We have multiple tables that we would like to merge in a main table to look like this, where basically it will auto update if we add any row within these tables. As an example, add a row here where it's just number 1. If we go back to the main list, as you can see here, it adds it on its own. To accomplish this, first we create a new sheet that will be our main table. So let's just call it main. Then we go to one of these tables and we copy column titles and paste it in the main page. Then the best way I would do it is by making sure that all of these smaller lists are actually tables. So I press Ctrl T inside all of them and make sure to name them as table 1. Here, if we go and highlight it as well, I named it table 2. And so on. There are some advantages to making sure that they're tables, such as making it easier to use in your formulas. The second one is making sure that the list is dynamic, where if we add an entry in one of the smaller ones, it would show up in our main one. So first, we write the function Vstack here. Then let's go back to one of the sheets, and if we select the whole table, it will show up as table 1 in the formula. So now we know that there are 4 tables. So if you just write table or whatever name you chose, you can just add table 1, comma, table 2, and so on, and add all of the tables that you would like to add in your document. Then we close the formula and press enter. As you can see here, it added it all up. And now if we go to one of the sheets and let's say we add an entry where it's 1, 1, 2, 2, press enter. If we go back to the main page, we can see it added it dynamically here. Thanks for watching. I hope you found the video useful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. And here are some other guides that might find useful.